Ang kakaibang ganda ng mga isla ng Balabac, talaga namang nakakaakit ng mga biyahero mula sa iba't ibang dako ng mundo. Ito rin marahil ang nanghalina sa mga sinasabing unang mga nanirahan sa mga isla nito, ang mga mulbog. Ang mga mulbog ay ang indigenous people o katutubo ng mga isla ng Balabac. Sinasabing ang mga ninuno nila ay mula pa sa Borneo at napadpad dito bago pa dumating ang mga Kastila.
Challenges faced by the Mulbog in Palawan. Environmental challenges of Mulbog. The Mulbog community in Balabac Island relies heavily on the island natural resources for their livelihood, culture, and survival. However, human activities in the increasing influx of migrants have caused serious environmental challenges that threaten both for their ecosystem and ancestral lands.
The main issues affecting in the environment of Molbogs are mangroves bark for tanning, overfishing, illegal fishing, increasing demand for natural resources, and also land encroachment. According to the statement of Philippines ICCA Consortium, Balabac has also been identified as a priority area in the Sulawesi Marine Ecoregion, or called SSME, conservation plan due to its high marine biodiversity. It is ruled as a marine corridor between the Sulu Sea and South China Sea. A significant part of the mangroves that Balabac Island have been severely deforested, mainly due to the extensive gathering of mangrove bark for tanning. Moreover, overfishing and the use of illegal fishing methods by migrants have resulted into the destruction of section of the coral reefs at the southwestern end of the island. That demand for construction materials and other resources has been exacerbated by the continued influx of migrants from the neighboring province of Zamboanga, Basilan, Jolo, and Tawi-Tawi. In order to accommodate the incoming migrant, the establishment of settlements have increased at alarming rates, resulting into the encroachment in the traditional lands of the Molbog community. Thank you.
The economic challenges of Mulbogs are: Number 1, many Mulbogs experience lack of job opportunities and livelihood. Number 2, poor market access. And the last one, competitions with a large industry.
The first is many Mulbog experience lack of job opportunities and livelihood. Because many Mulbog experience a lack of job opportunities and stable livelihood because they live in remote coastal areas of southern Palawan, particularly in Balabac. Most families depend mainly on small-scale fishing, farming, and traditional handicraft. However, these sources of income are seasonal, low-paying, and limited because industries and businesses are not well developed in their area. Many Mulbog have difficulty finding regular employment, limited access to education and skills. Training also makes it harder for them to qualify for higher paying jobs. As a result, many families experience poverty and economic instability, which affects their access to food, healthcare, and education.
Poor market access. One of the problems experienced by the Mulbog is the difficulty in selling their products. Most of them live in remote areas in Balabac, Palawan, so it is not easy for them to reach the market or bigger trading centers. Because the roads are far and transportation is limited, they are sometimes forced to sell their fish or farm products at a lower price. There are buyers who set the price and the Mulbog have no choice but to accept it. As a result, they earn very little. Even if they work hard in fishing or farming, their income is still not enough for their daily needs. For example, if they catch a lot of fish but do not have proper transportation to bring it to the market, they will sell it at a cheaper price instead of letting it spoil. Because of this situation, they continue to struggle financially.
Competition with large industries, meaning the resource extraction large mining companies operating in Palawan compete for land and natural resources. Impact on Mulbog communities, loss of ancestral lands, environmental degradation, weather, population, soil damage, reduced access to traditional livelihood. Commercial fishing. Industrial fishing fleets compete with local Mulbog fishers. Effect overfishing, decline in fish stock, damage to coral reef, lower income for small scale fishers. Tourism development. Tourism project in Palawan can restrict access to coastal area, increase land value, making land ownership difficult, change local culture and social structure, broad issue, weak enforcement and indigenous land rights, limited political influence, economic inequality, pressure to integrate into mainstream economic system, possible solutions, strengthening indigenous land rights, ancestral domain titles, sustainable development policies, community-based resource management, legal protection under Philippine indigenous people law.
Sociocultural challenges. The Mulmog community experience sociocultural challenges that impact cultures, identity, and traditions. External influences, displacement, and modernizations have created difficulties in preserving their language and indigenous practices. These are the sociocultural challenges faced by the Malbog. 1. Cultural erosions. 2. Marginalizations and displacement. And 3. Identity pressures.
The Molbog tribe, an indigenous Muslim group centered in Balabac, Palawan, Philippines, faces gradual cultural erosion driven by interconnected factors, ancestral land disposition. Since 2024, community on Bugsok Islands have endured displacement and armed intimidation and legal harassment linked to a luxury ecotourism project by San Miguel Corporation subsidiary Brick Properties Incorporation. Their 2005 application for a certificate of ancestral domain title or CADD remains pending while an 2023 cancellation of agrarian reform coverage has weakened land rights claims. Disruptions to lands critical for fishing, seaweed farming, and cultural practices undermines their connection to heritage. This is the one of the impact of cultural erosions in Mulbog Drive. Erosion and community cohesion. Displacement and intimidation have weakened social structures rooted in a land stewardship, reducing participation in collective rituals such as wedding, dances, and harvest thanksgiving.
Social cultural challenges. Identify pressure is a situation where the Mormon people feel pressure to change or hide their culture and identity in order to adapt to the dominant culture in society. For example, some Mormon, especially the youth, may feel shy about using their native language or practicing their tradition because of the discrimination or the influence of modern lifestyle on places like Balabac and Palawan. Because of this, their culture, tradition, and identity as Malbog people may gradually disappear if they are not protected and preserved.
Marginalization and displacement. When communities are forced to relocate, often due to projects like dams, power plants, or land use changes, it has a significant impact on their lives. For example, There is an indigenous tribe in the Cordillera region that was moved to another province for a mining project. They lost the lands where they farm and source their food and can no longer easily teach the younger generation tradition, farming methods, and customs tied to their ancestral lands. Additionally, their former lands will be used so they cannot defend their rights.